When you do K swap in like older chassis, EJ, EG, EK, those sort of chassis, you have to change the motor mounts. Hasport is the motor mount I'll be going with, and for that to work, I have to drill out. There's one hole there, 2, 3, 4. There's 5, 6, 7, or 8 holes maybe. I have to drill out and then use a hammer and a pry bar and get this motor mount completely out. And then this mount, the Hasport mount, just hooks right into, and it's good. And then back there is where the other mount will go. So I'm gonna do that, and then hopefully get to filling all these holes with the Bondo and sanding everything and be done for the day. So let me get after this and really get started, really. Alright, so when you're doing this, make sure to keep your drill bit lubed with any sort of lubricant to keep it cold, or cool I should say, so it doesn't snap. So I got 1, 2, 3, can't get that one, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right there I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, 10, 11 counting that one, but you can't get that one. So now the rest, you're gonna use a pry bar or long, strong flathead, a hammer, and get this shit off. So let's do it. All right, what is going on, everybody? Back with my man's Mueller. Yesterday I was working on the motor mount and I couldn't get it off, so I had my buddy come through and help. When I did it, when I drilled the holes, I didn't use a big enough bit, so it made it really hard to get these out. So when you do it, you get a really big bit to really get those welds out. I don't actually know what kind of, I think it's spot welding.
Yeah.
Is what they did. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of these you got to get out. And now we just cleaned the chassis, just wiped it down, and we're going to fill all the holes with Bondo. So that's what we're about to do. Ain't that right, Mueller?
Yeah, we're about to fill all these holes. Hell
yeah, baby. Me and Mueller just finished filling all this stuff. This is what it's looking like right now. It's not perfect, like the big holes didn't really fill, but I don't really care about these big holes. There's more or less all these smaller ones that I wanted to get filled, and we're just gonna let this shit dry and then probably just sand it after we eat some food. I didn't get all the holes, but I got the most that I think were like the most visible, and really were like this side there's like 100 billion holes for no reason over here. No reason at all. So that was Mueller's side, that's my side. I had like maybe 10 holes over there. He had like, I don't know, 35.
Something like that.
But that's all for now. I think maybe I'll have a video of us sanding all this stuff down. Maybe not. Maybe a time lapse. Who knows? We'll see what we do. But for now, that's pretty good, right? Oh yeah, let's do it.
Hey, good enough for government work.
Let's do it. Check that out. Check that out. Hey. All right, what's going on, everybody? It's a new day. Last time you guys saw, we were bondoing this shit. I changed my mind pretty much. And I forgot that like when people shave their engine bay, they weld their hose together and then just fill the little tiny parts with Bondo. And since I didn't weld, this probably won't come out as good as I thought it would. So for now, we're just gonna kind of chip away at it, do a quick sand, get it ready to be painted, and then whenever I pull the engine out again, I will do a better job at it. But for now, that's what we're gonna do today: do some sanding and hopefully get it painted. We finished sanding. It's as good as it's gonna get. It looks pretty nice to me. I like it. I bought some paintbrushes. I took Mueller home, and now I'm about to start painting it. I'm using this Pour 15 rust prevention paint because I live in upstate New York and I'm trying to just This car has zero rust, and I'm trying to keep it that way for as long as I can. And this is like a gloss black, I believe. Yeah, gloss black. So that's what I'm about to start doing. I think I'm gonna start from the inside and work my way out. Let's start with the firewall. Guys, so the battery on the camera died, so I had to charge it, and I finished painting while that was charging. Let me give you guys a show of it. It came out really nice. This paint came out way glossier than I thought, and it looks really good. There are some imperfections. I do have to put a second coat on still, but it came out really nice versus the green that it was. I haven't decided if I'm gonna get all the way back there and paint down there. But it does look really nice. There's kind of like a, you guys can kind of see it like a speckle, I guess you could say, in it all the way around the whole thing. I don't know if it's because of the paintbrush or it's the paint itself, but there still are some spots I have to hit up to make it look really good. And I'll do that on my second coat. But this thing came out absolutely amazing. And it's definitely going to be able to withstand New York State's rust and all the salt that comes with it. I'll probably end up repainting again later on down the line when I take the engine out of the car again. But it did come out extremely nice. With that being said, this is the end of the video. I appreciate you guys coming out watching this one. Like, subscribe, share on the channel. I got a lot of views and a lot of likes, and even got a couple of comments last time, which I'm really happy for. I know a lot of my local friends out here are giving me a lot of props and stuff like that, and I really appreciate that. I'm going to keep trying to put out some more content and some good content. And hopefully the next thing I'm going to do is get this engine here prepped and ready to go. I'm going to change the valve cover gasket and the head gasket on it and clean it up because it does got some oil and leakage on it. So that's going to be the next thing on the next video, hopefully. But until then, peace out, guys. Check back in maybe a couple of weeks. Who knows? We'll see. Peace. Say hi, cute girl. Say hi. You're gonna be in Dad's video. Hey, it's just a remote. There's nothing cute about that. Show him your face because you're cute. Nope, I get no face. Ah, there it is. Hi. All right.